Hi guys. Oh, we have some March of Dimes address labels there. I'm just gonna go over today the subscription box with the Crafter's Companion, which I signed up through HSN. I thought it was only gonna be a year kind of program, and then maybe the next year they would open up for more people. I hadn't seen that they opened it up for more people, but they're still sending the boxes, so I think this is box 14 or 15. I'll tell you in just a second. But let me get some of this stuff cleared out. Real quick though, as I was gonna get ready for this, I thought, oh, I didn't show you guys this Tuesday morning. You know what? I actually went back there to return a couple things, and I bought more stuff, so maybe I should include this later. But it's just this Tim Holtz die, huge die. Like, this will make a nice card front. Basically half price what it normally would be. And I do want to mention to you guys, they have a lot of Crafter's Companion dies and stamps, like those kits that I pretty much signed up for. Well, not really kits, but they're like sets of stamps and dies that were pretty expensive. So we'll see. You know what I should do for a video like this? We don't need that shininess there. There, I'll show you my messy mat. This is a close to my heart mat. I am probably going to not be a close to my heart rep after this month because, like I said, when I was doing all that, well, I wasn't doing it, but when the kitchen had all of that damage and stuff, I really was not working the program or pushing it at all. So I kind of fell back in my sales, and I just haven't been able to like just come out here and show you guys more things and everything. I haven't even gotten situated enough for that. So if I rejoin them, I will let you know. But I do like this mat. It's a cutting mat, and on the opposite side it has like a little rubber foam kind of for your stamping, so you can just turn it over and press into that when you stamp, so you get a really nice impression every time. Let's see here. I will include my link though. You know, I only have a few more days until the, well, actually, that's not true. Today's July 1st, so that's it. Yep. That means I will not be a consultant right now. So, okay, so yes, this is number 14. Box number 14. And I don't think I've ever mentioned to you guys, like, you know, I'll show you guys what's in here, but there are no instructions. So what happens is, close to my heart, Crafter's Companion makes tutorial videos. You can find them under, I think, they'll post them later on YouTube, but initially, well, they'll release them for everybody. Initially, it's you have to go to crafterscompanion.com/all-craft-kits, but I think it's all-craft-kits. I don't know. It's kind of interesting because if you do it wrong, it's going to say it doesn't know what page you're talking about. But craft subscription box. This one says crafterscompanionbox.com, so maybe that's where you can go. crafterscompanionbox.com. The other one's kind of persnickety to find it. So let's open it up. So what HSN does now, especially because I think people complain and they're like, I don't know what was in here, or because they never showed you what's going to be the next few months. When you signed up, they showed you that first month, and the rest of it was like, just trust us, you'll love it, you know. So this is a stencil craft kit, and they do have a picture of what the box is going to look like now, or it might have wording that lets you know what the box is about, at least. So, oh, sorry guys, let me sit down. So it says it has over 185 elements. Of course, that includes every little bit, little pearl or little whatever they might give you. So there's that. Welcome to your project kit. I always think the box is lovely. I have them all lined on top of my desk. So my desk has like a hutch on top, so those are all there. My husband's like, how many of those are you gonna get? I'm like, I don't know, I think it stops at 16. It does not stop at 16. So anyway, thank you for your purchase. And let's get into what's in here. Okay, cool. Watercolor tags, which is kind of funny because I've been trying to get into more watercolor stuff more. Oh, I want to. So it's nice thick paper. Clear stamps, and again, butterflies. I think I've mentioned this before. Like, mostly all their stamps that come in these kits are butterflies. There are a lot of florals though in this one, so that's really cute. Again, they're the kind of stamps, they're not photopolymer, they're basically acrylic stamps, like, no joke. Well, a little step up from AliExpress types because they do make a crisper image, but you have to kind of work with them so that they give you a nice impression. Let's see here. Die cut toppers. Open this up. What's so funny is I always do this myself, and I post it, and then they post their video way later, and then by the time they post their what's in the box video, I've already done my own video, and I still watch their what's in the box video because I like to see it. So let me bring this down a little bit closer, just because, and I'm sorry about that shadow, guys, because the lighting is above me right now. So they have the toppers with, it's kind of weird because it has a blue background, but that doesn't make it any different from these green ones. it has different wording, but like this stays behind. This blue stuff isn't going to be on your die cut, so cute paper though, I guess. This one has a little strip of paper at the bottom. Maybe you use it for something. And just lots of little die cut toppers, which I've never really been a fan of using. I need to try to use these. I think one time I did a card kit, a card from a card kit that was polka doodles. If I can see it, I'm looking at it right now, but I can't see the name. I think so. And the card came out super cute, so I'm like, you know what? I should try using those more often. I'm usually whenever something comes like with punch out things, I'm like, not a fan. Okay, I'm trying to get that back in there. The stencils. Okay, so there's quite a few of these, and they're each in their own plastic, it feels like. So let's pop these guys out. Sorry guys, try to get rid of that shine for you, and it's still shiny. Okay, so this one's a big flower, and then we have just dots. This would be good for lots of different uses. Like use this just to make help you guide you. Like a lot of times artwork starts off with a circle, or if you make your own background, you want like a moon shape in there. So this would be good because it has lots of different size circles. It has this little floral kind of spray. It looks like just leaves with the little flowers there. Honeycomb, of course, that's a perfect one. This one's kind of fun. It's more like a chicken wire. I don't know if you can see really up close. It has like little bumps, so it looks more like chicken wire. That's really cute detail. This one is like little bubbles because they're kind of wonky looking. You see they're not perfect. And these are probably, I would say, yep, 5 by 7. This is a cool pattern. Nice weight. They don't feel too flimsy or anything. Not too stiff either. Oh, this is a gorgeous one. Kind of like a jacquard look. That's really pretty. Lots of flowers. Lots going on in this one. Just kind of more geometric flowers. Really pretty. And it's kind of like a giraffe pattern, or just like a travertine kind of broken, whatever you want to use that for. That probably has a lot of uses. Really cute. And this one, more flowers. Again, a little stylistic. I'm not sure that I even like this one really, to be honest. Maybe for like a little kid card. Okay, so those are those. Envelopes, of course, tons of envelopes in different sizes. They go with the card blanks of different sizes. I have so many of these things, it's ridiculous. I do like that they include watercolor paper. It looks like several sheets, and it's kind of an off-white color. I don't know if you can see that compared to, there you go. But really, cool. I like that. Colored card, which, I mean, it's just cardstock. So there's like, oh gosh, just lots of, this is like a whole rainbow of colors. So in between them, there's like brown and green and orange and red and like raspberry and like a lavender and like a maize color, a light blue, a dark blue, a teal blue, maybe royal blue. There's like a different kind of yellow, a different kind of orange than over here. So this is a lot of different colors, which is really nice. And black cardstock. So just black cardstock. So there's obviously reasons that they did this. That, you have the black cardstock or the watercolor paper. So this is really fun. I think it's a fun kit. I don't know. I mean, like I said, I think it's $24.99 and $5 shipping. So it's basically $30. Obviously taxes and all that. But I don't know. I like this one. I always try to get into stencils and it just doesn't work out for me. So I keep them here on my desk just so I remember, like, hey, use that. And I still don't. So I do like the size of these, and I will try and remember to use them more often. And maybe I'll see one of their videos and then try to copy it for you guys. Would that be fun? Because I know they show like, oh, this is how you should use it. And then I never do it. So what I should do is try to copy one of the videos, and I think that'll be a good thing to do. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.